Sage Manduka is explaining to us that I am Om. I am Brahman. Ayam Atma Brahman. I am Brahman. And Brahman has a special way that it expresses itself when in the mode of activity. How does it express itself? Through the cosmic sound, or the sound of silence, or the sound of creation. Some of us can recognize this sound. It's not really a sound. It's actually Nad, but there is no proper translation of Nad, the Sanskrit word Nad, into English. That is why the word sound is used. So, whenever things are translated into English, they usually lose their proper meaning. There is no word in the English language to describe what it is. So, this Nad, or sound, or frequency, however you want to address it, this is always there, because this is the way Brahman is expressing itself. Some of us who are very antarmukhi have a silent kind of mind, and because of the less noise, we can very easily recognize the Nad. Some of us have a very busy mind, very noisy mind. The reason is because you are bahirmukhi. You're continuously turned outwards towards your personal world. Whatever it is that keeps you busy, that blocks your ability to recognize this Nad. Nothing to worry. We can make an effort to reduce the noise of the mind. And we can get there. There are proper ways to get there. And we can start with basic Advaita level 1 knowledge, and slowly as you come higher and I can work personally with you, we can move to a place where we can start recognizing this. It's not tough.